This charming little fellow here is Eudimorphodon, a genus of small avian animals from late Triassic Italy. And despite its appearance, this was not some sort of featherless bird, but in fact, a reptile. Eudimorphodon was part of a group of flying reptiles known as pterosaurs. Not pterodactyls, the correct term for these animals is pterosaurs. These were the first vertebrates ever to fly. They existed during the Mesozoic era, living alongside the dinosaurs and marine reptiles. They first appeared between 230 and 200 million years ago during the mid to late Triassic period, and continued to live for another 164 million years, eventually going extinct 66 million years ago along with the non-avian dinosaurs and marine reptiles. During their 164 million year run, they diversified into over 120 known species divided into 85 genera. They came in all shapes and sizes, from the smallest known species, Nemicolopterus, with a wingspan of less than 10 inches, to giants like Hategopteryx and Quetzalcoatlus. These were the largest creatures ever to fly. Both animals were as tall as giraffes on all fours, and they both had a wingspan as wide as a World War II fighter plane. But the pterosaur that we'll be focusing on is Eudimorphodon. They belong to the family Eudimorphodontidae, which includes two other genus, including Articodactylus and Chamaeodactylus. It was first discovered in Bergamo, Italy in 1973 and described the same year. So far, there is only one species from this genus, Eudimorphodon ranzi. It lived during the late Triassic period about 210 million years ago, making it one of the earliest known pterosaurs. It was a relatively small pterosaur, just a meter long and weighing 10 kilograms, with a 1 meter wingspan. The wings of a pterosaur was supported by an elongated fourth finger on the creature's forelimbs, and between the tip of the wing and its ankles was a thin membrane of skin. This wing design is similar to that of a bat's wing, which is supported by an elongated finger, or in this case fingers, and had a membrane of skin stretching from the tip of its wings to its ankles. This wing design made pterosaurs very efficient flyers, as they used their large wings to catch columns of rising air known as thermals, allowing them to glide for long distances without having to flap their wings as much. Pterosaurs were basically like walking hang gliders, but with sharp beaks and teeth. They also use their fourth finger to fold back their wings upward when they're not in use, allowing them to walk on all fours. One other distinct feature about Eudimorphodon is that it had a very long tail, which probably aided in controlling its aerial movement. A lot of early pterosaurs had long tails, however, the later larger pterosaurs had minuscule tails. 210 million years ago, Italy, along with the rest of Europe, was part of Pangaea, a supercontinent which was made up of all the 7 continents we know today. Around this time, Italy was surrounded by a shallow sea, and along its coast was coastal forests, which provided the perfect habitat for Eudimorphodon, as they used their long claws to scale the trees and cliffs in the area. Their preferred hunting ground was probably lakes, where they skimmed along the water catching fish. We know this because fossilized fish scales have been found in the stomachs of some specimens, and their long jaws bear more than 100 teeth of varying sizes. Fangs at the front, small, jagged, multiple pointed teeth elsewhere that equipped it well for gripping slippery prey. In fact, Eudimorphodon's name means true dimorphic tooth in Greek. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave some in the comments section, and ask as many questions as you like. I'll be happy to answer them. And I would like to wish you all in advance a happy Valentine's Day. Make sure to spend Wednesday, February 14th with your significant other. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe for new content every Saturday. Later, Gators.